Hi friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to make different types of different styles and different presets of text. So there any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open the Photoshop. Now create a new subject. Create a new document. I go to art and illustration and I select a like 2000 pixel Garrett and create. Now I choose a solid color, so click on the adjustment layer button and select solid color. I am going to choose black, just like that. Now my background Photoshop color and the document color also match, so I change the color to gray and look good. Now type a text, simply go to text, click the button and its shortcut is T. So I'm going to type Jamshed. Okay, sorry. So take it bigger. This looks good. Now change the color of the text. White looks good. Now first of all you need to convert it to smart object. Right click on the layer and convert to smart object. And now our text is converted into smart object. Click Simply click the layer, select the layer and press Ctrl T and right click on it and select distort. Now press Ctrl Shift and it will look like this. Now we blur this. Simply go to filter, blur, and we select it. Let's try box blur. No, it's not. Again go to filter, field blur. Okay, take it to D. I decrease the blur to about 20 and again click there and this and there 2 0 here. Press OK. Now this type my text look like. Now we make the copy of this layer. Simply select the layer and press Ctrl J and again press Ctrl T, press OK and right click on it and flip horizontal, sorry, flip vertical. I think I made a mistake. Now match. Let's see what type of look like this. Take it to. I'm taking some adjustment. Okay, now this looks good. I think we make too much. Take some more blur. Take it to there. Now let's try what I look like. Now the नाम की अग्गू की चीज़ ऐड करता है वो levels. Now to take some more interesting, we make a levels layer. So simply click the adjustment button and select levels. Now look at this. If we take this to black area, white to black, this will black all the white areas, and we goes from black to white, this will white all the black areas. So we are going to take some darker. Now select the brush tool. The hardest of the brush is 100. Checked. Now click. Now simply click and press Ctrl T, and again press Ctrl and Shift. Sorry. Press Control. Press Shift, and now again press Shift. Look, this this looks good. Now click the mask. Double click on the mask. Cancel. Double click on the level and go to mask. Select mask and feather increase the feather, whatever you like. This this looks good. I think needed. Okay, now again the select, and I am going to change it to red. Okay, making some adjustment. Okay, now simply save the we make the text looking good. I think so. I think the red color is too much. Decrease the saturation. Okay, now this looks good. Now I am going to merge the both of the layers. Click select one and now press Ctrl and select the other one and simply press Ctrl E. Now the both images are merged. I am going to again convert it to smart object. Now I am going to take you a good trick, a special trick which you I think you don't know. Simply double click on smart object. Okay, look at this. If we I want if we want to make some change the spellings, anything we want to change from related to text, we can change the text. So now we merged the image, and now I'm going to save this document. Simply go to save and save it PSD. Sorry, I have already name it text effect and save it. Okay, save it. Now you, my friends, can make any effect on text with the help of this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel. Also like this video, share this video, and give a good comment. Okay, Allah Hafiz.